Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker and right here at the right side we have the button disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker, you will stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list. In the future you can reconnect your speaker. If you select to unpair your speaker, you will totally remove the speaker from your phone. So if you need this, just select forget button, but you may have not forget, but forget device, or forget this device, or unpair, or remove button. But let's disconnect it. So disconnect, and as I tell you, I just stop Bluetooth connection with this speaker, but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect it by just tap on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!